In this video, we will discuss the last application of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Hi, how are you doing? If you are new to this channel, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and continued watching the videos online. Also share the link to the videos to other engineering students. Now, let us quickly go through this example. It is again Diploma in Electrical Engineering, July 2018. Remember, for the next examinations, as long as you can be able to answer questions from one engineering course, it will be also very easy to answer questions from the other engineering course. So it doesn't matter which course you are in. This question, even though most of them I'm doing from electrical engineering, will also suit you perfectly. Now, let us quickly go through our question. We are told, given that lambda is equal to -1 is an eigenvalue of the matrix A equal to this, determine the possible values of x, which is 7 marks. So let us quickly go through this question. Remember the equation that Ax is equal to lambda x. We said A is a square matrix, x is a column vector, lambda is a scalar. So we have Ax minus I minus lambda x is equal to 0. We bring x on the other side of we bring lambda x on the other side of the equation, which will give us A minus I lambda x is equal to 0. We said we introduce this unit matrix I because we can only subtract matrix from a matrix. We now substitute the actual values of substituting. Let us call this one equation 1. Values of A, lambda, and x in equation 1. This will be A is x to 2x minus lambda is -1, so you have negative 1 because of the negative in the equation and the negative in the lambda. Negative 1 is positive 1 times the identity matrix or the unit matrix, which is also a 2 by 2 matrix, 1 0 0 1. All these multiplied by the eigenvector, which is a column matrix, x1, x2, again is equal to the other side of the equation, like 0 in form of matrix, is a column matrix. Let us do the subtraction here. We have x, this 1 times 1 is 1, x plus 1, let me put this one a little bit lower, x plus 1, we have x times 0, 1 times 0 is 0, so we have 2 minus 0, not 2 minus 0, we have 2 plus 0, we have 2, we have 1 times 0 is 0, 2 plus 0, which is 2, and finally 1 times 1 is 1, so we have x plus 1, we have x plus 1. This we multiply with x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. Now let us rewrite in equation form. Rewriting in equation form, which will give us, we multiply in that manner. There's a bird that has entered the class saying hi to you. So you have x times x plus 1 times x1 plus 2 times x2 is 2x2 Equate on the other side is 0. The next one is x1 times 2, which is 2x1, plus x1, x plus 1 times x2, which is x2 into bracket x plus 1. Now let us get the value of x2. If you call this one equation 3, equation 3 or equation 2, call this one equation 3. Using equation 2, using equation 2, we have 2x2 is equal to x negative, because this will go to the other side of the equation, negative x1 into bracket x plus 1. So we have x2 is negative x1 x plus 1 over 2. If you divided both sides of the equation by 2, using equation 3, we have this 2x1. We take it to the other side of the equation. We will have x2 times x plus 1 becomes negative 2x1. Now we can say x2 again is equal to negative 2x1 over x plus 1. So we have two x2s. We have this x2 and we have this x2. Both of them are equal, so we can equate them. Negative x1 x plus 1 over 2 is equal to this one, negative 2x1 over x plus 1. Of course, on both sides we can cancel out with the negative x1. We can cancel out with the negative x1, and this negative will also cancel out. You have x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over x plus 1. If we cross multiply, we have x squared, x plus 1 squared, if we cross multiplied, is equal to 2 squared. Let us find square root on both sides of the equation. If I put square root on this side of the equation, it will be x plus 1 is equal to 2. And therefore, you can see x is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, our matrix A is equal to 1, 2, add 2, 1. So basically that's how you can get the 7 marks. See how quickly you are able to get the 7 marks. Save yourself in mathematics fast. Continue watching more videos now.